happening, everybody? Thanks for coming by. Today's video, I have my CNC machine finally up and running, and I was wanting to do some test cuts, and I figured, hey, I had some new material, why not let's do some holiday pieces. So today's video is going to be as I carved this Merry Christmas sign, and I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, whatever your family follows. It just matters that family's together, I think, at this time of year. We're going to carve this out, and then we're going to clean it up a little bit. The material I'm using, it's a PVC. It's a sandwiched color. You can see it's white in the middle of two green slices, like an Oreo cookie. Cut fine. It just left some leftover furry stuff inside the cuts. So I spent some time to clean it up. It came out really nice. The wife's excited to actually display it in the house. Let me get a couple bits, and I'm going to show you what bits I'm going to use for this. So the bits I'm using for this carve, we have a standard 1/4 inch V-bit, 90-degree angle. It is 12.5 millimeters wide, 1/2 inch. And I only had a cut depth of 2 millimeters and basically plunged into 2 millimeters, and it cuts it really nice. And then I do a profile cutout where it follows around the edge, and I use this SPE tool bit. It's a really nice bit. It's 1/4 inch shank, and it's 1/8 inch. It's a down cut bit that's actually sitting over in the machine over there right now. And those are the bits that I used. I do not have an auto tool changer. I just have to do it manually. It works out okay. So we're going to get going on this video and have some carving. As always, thanks for coming by, and hope you enjoy this. Alright, well, we have a finished cut. It took about, my math isn't that good, about 40 minutes. It is a mess. I can't wait till I get my proper vacuum tube to hook up the dust collectors and get rid of this mess. But I'm going to clean it up and then I'll show you what it looks like in a second. All right, got it vacuumed up pretty well. I know I had put tabs on this and I think it went through because I neglected a small detail to measure the thickness of the piece. We got a little bit of extra here. All right, so what I'm going to do, just going to carefully slice through to get it to release. I think that should do it. It's good. So when I set up the material, the job, I set the depth of the material, the thickness of the material. 6.35, which is a 1/4 inch. And I need to measure that. It was kind of close. Not too bad. I just got to do a little calibration on my Z-axis, I believe. Anyways. There it is. We're about 2 millimeters down into the plastic. As you can see, it's I just gotta finish up the edge. It was just a test sign. I can always mount it to another piece of wood, hang it on the wall, maybe next year. There's some fallout where the bit, you can see that. It just left some fibers down in there. Not a big deal. I use a nylon brush and that'll just clear that up real nice. So yeah, it did leave a little bit up here, a little furry. But that stuff cleans up. I think it turned out really nice. Alrighty, I appreciate you hanging around and watching. As always, please like and subscribe the video. And I hope to see you back for next time. And have a good day. Thanks for coming by.